好耐冇買過黑膠唱片。
都有買啲 classical music 嘅 CD。
我都係買 album，佢入邊有 CD。
我冇喎。
最近先買嘅，因為最近有部黑膠機，咁就開始先買黑膠嚟聽。
昨天在那個日淘網站上面就看到了幾張 Beatles 的唱片，而且它價格會比較便宜，所以就買了幾張。
咁你哋對黑膠唱片嘅認識係大概有幾多呢？
我諗我冇真係真身見過一隻黑膠唱片咯，但係我知好似有一間餐廳而家係專賣黑膠唱片嘅，之後我有屋企人去過。
其實真係唔係好知道，但係認知就黑膠唱片係好貴嘅嘢，同埋亦都有啲 outdated 咯。
我淨係知道，我有時喺街度有見過嗰啲黑膠唱片嗰啲機咯，但係我唔知太多咯。
哦，所以你對黑膠唱片的第一印象，它其實是個收藏品，對吧？
對，其實一開始是收藏品，但到後來呢，就變成一種實用主義嘛，就是用來聽。
但你話黑膠就屬於異類啦，黑膠係屬於少數。
咁你覺得而家重新流行翻嘅原因係啲咩？即係從你覺得，
我諗係即係玩個味道啦，有啲懷舊，即係好似而家又興翻寶麗來，就揸翻啲舊嘅20幾年前嘅數碼相機，即係仲係好低像素嗰啲又興翻。咁我諗係玩個即係情懷。
In 1877, the first medium for storing sound in history was invented by Edison. People's application, vinyl entered its golden age, which was the main way for people to listen to music. At the same time, vinyl, as a carrier for recording human culture, was launched into outer space by NASA. In the era of CDs, due to their advantages of greater convenience and lower costs, vinyl gradually faded from the public eye. In modern times, in the era of streaming music, vinyl has reached another peak.
問你係呢度嘅負責人？
我係 one of 個 co-founder 喺呢個。
哦，
係。
好，咁你自己對黑膠唱片了唔了解㗎？
都 OK 嘅，但係就唔係好發燒嗰隻咯。
哦，係。咁你覺得以前同而家嘅顧客啦，即係可能10幾20年前咁樣嘅顧客，同而家嚟買呢個黑膠唱片嘅顧客，佢哋喺年齡同身份上會唔會有啲咩變化？變
咗好多。我以前10幾年前玩嘅時候，發燒又多嘅，佢哋係玩器材為主嘅，我覺得。係啦，而家就調翻轉少少咯，因為而家我哋好多都係啲後生多少少。我哋都估唔到，可能要20零歲、30歲嗰啲咯。
咁你覺得而家嘅人嚟買黑膠唱片，同埋以前嘅人嚟買黑膠唱片，佢哋嘅需求同埋佢哋嘅關注點有冇啲咩唔一樣咗？
哇！而家可能而家啲嘢快咗咯，所有嘢都咁，所以我覺得係而家黑膠係調節翻佢哋嘅生活咯，想玩慢啲嘅嘢。
Paul has many old-fashioned vinyl record shops, and we visited one of them today.
咁想問，相比於10年前啦，或者20年前，而家過嚟買黑膠唱片同 CD 嘅顧客，佢哋身份或者年齡上面有啲咩變化㗎？
多咗啲後生嗰啲嚟買咯。
咁你呢度嘅話係比較多咩年紀嘅人嚟買多少少？
多就買黑膠，多就係嗰啲上咗年紀啊，即係40-50歲嗰啲咯。
而家為咗迎合呢個市場嘅變化，你哋喺入貨啊，或者係銷售嘅策略上面有冇做過啲咩調整㗎？開咗咁多年嚟，
調整又有啊，跟即係嗰啲客嘅市場咯。
即係例如跟翻可能而家邊一個多人買就會入翻咁樣嘅貨係咪？
唔係㗎，我哋即係人哋交嚟嘅，我哋咩貨都可以接受，要收佢。
即係你哋係多數係收人哋嘅黑膠再
係啊。
玩黑膠係而家啲人係多啲啊，定係以前嘅人多少少㗎？
以前多啲。
哦，即係可能大概幾多年前？ 最多人玩黑膠？
最多人玩黑膠嗰段都係十年前，而家就少咗。
你鋪頭比較多數係咩年代嘅黑膠比較多？
咩年代都有。
咩年代都有？
From Miss Chen's words, we also learned that fewer and fewer people actually come to the market to buy vinyl. This is also the question we are going to explore next.
咁分享下咯。
係啊，好啊，你分享下。
咁我係咯，咁啊，我以前玩嘅時候10多年前咯，係咯。咁我都係啱啱入坑嘅嗰陣時，咁就唔識玩啦，咁就周圍去問人哋，即係去點樣可以開始啦。咁嗰陣時香港都好好玩嘅，香港好多黑膠鋪頭咯，都有好多大大細細啊咁樣咯。嗰陣時 HMV 都有啦。咁另外就好多深水埗都有，仲有好多啊。咁旺角啊、尖沙咀都有啲。咁但係嗰陣時嘅氣氛好好嘅。嗰啲店主咧都會教你點樣玩啊，各樣嘢點樣，即係你中意聽咩音樂啊。咁你遇到有啲，尤其是咧有啲客咧係會打躉嘅，即係喺有啲鋪頭度。咁就大家會一齊分享你中意啲咩音樂，我中意咩音樂啊。咁每個鋪頭都有啲唔同嘅客觀眾群嘅。咁有啲就係講器材，咁有啲就係講音樂類。咁你慢慢開始就你研究邊啲就去邊度唔同群組咯。嗰時邊有 WhatsApp group 冇 WhatsApp group， 咁就可能每個禮拜六或者禮拜日就去嗰度聚一聚，即係同一班人咁啊，大家會分享咯，好搞笑嘅，好無私奉獻嘅佢哋係。
咁而家係咪已經冇咗呢一種文化㗎啦？
好少喎，而家少咗啲咯，通常都係自己玩多啲，我覺得係啊。
其實黑膠，在你們這個圈子裡，可能也象徵着一種和歌手之間的一種紐帶，是嗎？
對，像現在其實很多歌手他出黑膠，不只是為了給粉絲、給聽眾用來聽，更多是，很多粉絲抱着一種我買了這個歌手的黑膠，然後我就會跟他有一種實體上的聯繫，因為實體跟你買網絡上流媒體的音樂是不一樣的，所以他們可能更多去靠買黑膠這一種實體方式去跟自己喜歡的歌手建立聯繫。
哦，咁你點樣去看待呢個黑膠唱片嘅未來呢？
我諗即係當係一個生活品味咁樣去咯，即係最靚聲又未必係佢，最方便又未必係佢，咁但係成個生活態度咁去玩，即係自己沖下咖啡啊咁樣咯。
係啊係，多謝晒你，唔該晒。
Interviews and Google data show that vinyl records remain as popular as in their heyday, with steady sales growth in recent years largely driven by social media and pop singers. Record labels emphasize its collectible value, while streaming platforms reshape its cultural symbols, making vinyl no longer merely a music carrier. Most people regard it as a collectible, as traditional consumption culture has shifted. In the past, people would gather at record markets to choose their favorite albums. Additionally, vinyl's community culture and the unspoken, tacit understanding among enthusiasts have vanished. But today, many visit vinyl stores primarily to take photos. In short, more people are fond of vinyl records, but fewer truly understand their essence.